Bird-Friendly Amazonian International Mission 2020-21. Today is November 9, 2020. We are broadcasting from the bird-friendly property of the Kichwa Association of Guayusa Runa. This place is located in the countryside area of Puyo, the capital of the province of Pastaza in Ecuadorian Amazonian. Today the morning is cold. The fog is covering all the vegetation that surrounds the Kichwa human settlement of Guayusa Runa. We are in the farming site inside the land of this human settlement. The natural surroundings of this place represent a unique ecological patch where the ornithiversity is diverse. We are hearing the sound made by the speckled chachalacas in the background. The bird that we see in this video is a Magpie Tanager in the Stropidae family. There are some other birds in the background, such as silver-beaked tanagers, blue-gray tanagers, house wrens, blue-black grasquits, black-billed thrushes,